Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class students, and we are the lesson under progress is Monera, that is the detailed account on Kingdom Monera. In that respect, Kingdom Monera contains many kinds of variants of bacteria, and what kind of bacteria would be represented, that is, it would to explain all features present in a bacteria. In that respect, actually the text includes the bacteria E. coli, because E. coli is highly modified bacteria and it could explain you all features which are present in all kinds of bacteria. Some bacteria lose one feature, some have other features. The conclusive features are present in E. coli. That's why we have chosen here E. coli. After giving you the general introduction about the morphology or the general morphology of the bacteria, today I will teach you the structures which could be seen only with the help of microscope. That's why they are called ultrastructure. Ultrastructures of bacteria. The ultrastructure of bacteria, this is microscopic features of bacteria. This is the microscopic features of bacteria. Before going to teach you the microscopic features of bacteria, you must have a general overview of the bacteria. This is bacteria, E. coli bacteria, which is present mostly in the intestine of man, also in the intestine lower gut of man, also in some these rudimentous these are cattle, which also possess this E. coli, because it helps them in digesting cellulose food, because cellulose, there is no cellulose enzyme actually in humans or in cattle. In cattle it may be, but in humans it is also absent. That's why in humans the E. coli is present, which helps in the digestion of cellulose molecules. This is highly modified parasitic, not parasitic, is a symbiotic bacteria, and this bacteria it would act here as representative of Monera or bacteria group. So I have taken this bacteria and the ultrastructure of this bacteria. This is the structure. This is the outer thick coat of bacteria. It is called the capsule, and the capsule has two parts. Its outer part is thick, more in diameter. It's called macrocapsule, and inner is somehow thin. It's called microcapsule, and inside the capsule is present cell wall, and inside to cell wall is present plasma membrane. And what type of plasma membrane, what type of cell wall is present in bacteria? Before going to teach you all the other features, because I have to teach you the detailed account on all these features of bacteria. Today I will teach you the first outer feature of bacteria. This you see, this is the silly this is flagella. So we will start here from the feature flagella. If you take this flagella, it's a whip-like or a thread-like, small thread-like or hair-like structure, not present on the cell wall, but it originates from the inner, that's from plasma membrane cell. That's why we can say it's a structure or which is whip-like or hair-like structure, which helps bacteria in locomotion, helping bacteria in locomotion. On the basis of the presence or the absence, on the basis of presence, absence, and the number of these flagella on the bacterial wall, on the bacterial outer wall, how much we could see how much cells are present outside the bacterial cell wall, or how much they are present on the body of this bacteria. The bacteria are further classified on the basis of number and presence, on the basis of number and presence of flagella. Bacteria are classified bacteria are classified as under. Classified as under. That is on the basis of number. How much cilia are present, how many flagella are present in the body of bacteria, and presence of flagella, or whether they are present or they are not present. That's presence if they are present. And what is their number? Bacteria are classified as under. I will write the numbers here on this board. I'm supposed to rub it off to make space available. The first type is Atrachus. Atrachus bacteria, that is, bacteria is rod shaped just like this but has no flagella. Number second is Monotrachus. Monotrachus bacteria, that is, bacteria is rod shaped and has only one bacteria on one side. This is Monotrachus bacteria. Then we have Lopotrachus. Lopotrachus bacteria. Lopotrachus bacteria, this is the rod shaped, again a rod shaped bacteria, but bacteria has a tuft of, it has a tuft of flagella on one side. That is a tuft of flagella on one side. Flagella on one side. Then we have Amphitrachus. Amphitrachus bacteria. These bacteria have flagella, tuft of flagella on both sides, a tuft of flagella on this side, similarly a tuft of flagella on this side. This is an Amphitrachus bacteria. Then we have the fifth number, that is Petritrachus. Petritrachus bacteria. These bacteria have, they are again this rod shaped and they have flagella all over the body. Flagella is present all over the body, and such bacteria are called these, what we can say, Petritrachus bacteria. And this is the flagella. And what is the structure of flagella? We can see it under microscope, and then I will tell you this flagella is generally composed of three components. Flagella is generally composed of three components. Flagella has three components. It has three parts. It has three parts. Number one part is basal body. Number second part is hook. Number third part is basal body, hook, and number third part is filament. I will tell you not the complete history of these three parts of this flagella, but here I will try to make you understand that this is plasma membrane, this is cell wall. The flagella arises from plasma membrane. That's from plasma membrane and in cell wall. That is basal body. Basal body, it is proteinaceous and it is lies within plasma membrane and cell wall. Cell wall, it is formed of two pairs of rings. It is formed of two pairs of rings. Rings enclosing a hollow space, enclosing a space between. Two rings enclose a space in between, which is 70 angstroms in diameter, and these two pairs of rings are present in this basic body, and that is two pairs. One pair lies within plasma membrane and one pair in cell wall. The distance between the two lies within the space would be there. There is no space between plasma membrane and the cell wall. And then we have the hook part of it is part of the flagella. Hook is a part of flagella. If this is flagella, it is hook, the part of flagella, and it is basal body. This is basal body. This is hook, the part of flagella. Part of the flagella which penetrates cell wall. It penetrates cell wall. It penetrates cell wall. The part of flagella penetrating the cell wall here. Penetrating cell wall capsule here. It is called the hook. It is the hook of the bacteria. Then we have filament. The outer part, the outer whip-like part of the flagella is called hook. Outer whip-like part of the flagella is called this filament. And filament again is formed of the protein monomers. Then we have filament, the outer whip-like, hair-like whip-like portion of the flagella is called the filament. It is formed of protein flagellin, and the flagellin monomers are arranged in rows of 2, that's 4 and 4, that's 8 rows, and they are arranged 4 and 4, that's 4 and 4 element is found in the flagella of bacteria. And this completes your today's topic. And also I will tell you, I am trying to make videos of the lessons for you in field, but there is one problem. This cameraman is not available. Sometimes students will become available, and I will try after Eid, if the same situation continued, if this COVID-19 threat continued, I will try after Eid. I will teach you additional lessons, additional videos in fields which are more to you would be more interested, more, and I will try to make help, to avail help from this Akhtar. He is my neighbor, and Akhtar would help me in making videos in fields. And thank you for today's lesson. My missus is not always available. He helps me to be a cameraman, but not always, because she has other work at home, for example cooking, for example washing, other work as well, and that's why she's not always available. And after Eid, Akhtar would help me in availing his time would help me to act as cameraman. Thank you very much.